Hello friends, today we will learn small letter alphabet A to Z and number with color names. So let's start. Pink color, grey color, blue color, dark green color, yellow color, red color, white color, black color, sky blue color, peach pink color, brown color, purple color, orange color and light green color. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's paint. Red color. A for apple, orange color. B for ball, yellow color. C for cat, dark green color. D for dog, sky blue color. E for egg, red color. F for fish, orange color. G for goat, yellow color. H for hen, dark green color. I for ice, sky blue color. J for joker, red color. K for kite, orange color. L for lion, yellow color. M for mango, dark green color. N for nose, sky blue color. O for orange, red color. P for pencil, orange color. Q for queen, yellow color. R for rain, dark green color. S for sun, sky blue color. T for tiger, red color. U for umbrella, orange color. V for fan, yellow color. W for wolf, dark green color. X for X-ray, sky blue color. Y for you, red color. Z for zebra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.